Hey, Value Bomb is back, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out to the Marketing Mastermind. And what I wanted to do is put some quick tips that we learned from Mike Wood, who has been really on the cutting edge of AI in the real estate business. So down below, I put a bunch of links for you. I put some tips and tricks for you on there and for different things for you to explore in order to use AI to its fullest capacity so that you can blow up your business. See, right now, using AI is super important for you to use those tools to blow up your business in the coming years. One of the coolest ones is that Heygen, because if you don't like doing videos, what you can do is use that Heygen for a little bit and have those start to work for you and create your own videos using AI. If you have any questions about this, you want to team up, you want to come to my office, sit down and see how we could work together through these AI situations, please reach out to me at 916-799-3256. Also, follow me on Instagram. I always have some great tips and tricks on there for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.